Guys, I'm dizzy, but I got the hiccups. But I still get hiccups. Subscribe 3 times when I drink some water. And feel better. See the hiccups, they gone in. So, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.